In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating Gmail emails to another Gmail account using the BitRecover Gmail Backup Wizard. To install our Gmail to Gmail Migrator, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, enter your Gmail address and click Sign In with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder for migration using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Gmail option for this tutorial. Enter your Gmail email address. Uncheck the Using Google OAuth authentication option to sign in with a Gmail app password. Again, select Using Google OAuth authentication option to begin the backup process. Next, simply click the Backup button. A new window will open asking to select the Gmail account to sign in with. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. After logging in, the migration will begin. Once the migration is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully migrated Gmail mails. Click OK and open the Gmail mailbox to access the migrated mails.
Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.